Who doesn't like a good fresh salad, especially when all the ingredients are from your own garden? Growing salad isn't supposed to be difficult. The problem is that it's very popular among birds and insects too. Also, veggies like a warm and steady environment. A glass house is a good and traditional way to cope with the problem. However, these can be really expensive. But we will show you a more economic solution. This is Climafilm, a transparent polyethylene film. Film-based facilities can be made with a smaller investment, and their light-emitting characteristics are actually better than glass, as the composition of incoming light is closer to that of sunlight. In the foil-covered space, the plants receive more blue and ultraviolet rays, so they grow faster, become stronger and healthier. Climafilm ensures better crop yield and a much earlier harvest, and it is also easy to install. Climafilm increases the temperature and protects plants against bad weather. And last but not least, it accelerates growth. As you have seen, these arcs play an important role in building tunnels for our beloved vegetables. This flexible arc PVC is easy to apply and can last for many years. If we have the hoops and the foliage, all we need are these little fellows, Clip Arc PVC and Clip Tutor. These clips will be attached to the base of each side of the protective film, so it will be perfectly tight. This is Spidok, another useful friend. There's something else I'd like to show you. This guy here is Arc FG. It is a fiberglass hoop for tunnels that can be used with Climafilm. It's lightweight, crush-proof, rot-proof and UV resistant. Maybe a hurricane could damage it, but apart from that, it is fully resistant to almost all weather conditions. As you can see, it's really easy to install. Nortene's bird net is also an ideal solution if you want to protect our peas, beans, strawberries, and it is also a great help in orchards and vineyards. After you built the tunnel, you can use these small clips called mini clip to secure the film. Your tunnel is now fully operational and weather resistant. Apart from bad weather and insects, birds can also do harm to our plants. I love birds, but I don't want them to eat my crops. EasyNet is the perfect way to stop them. BirdNet and EasyNet protects your fruits, the foliage of your trees or vegetable beds. It fades into the environment while preventing bird bites but still allowing light and rain to pass through. Thanks to the elasticity of the net, it is also easy to mount. These bird nets and tunnels are a really effective way to protect our beloved vegetables and trees. Check out our website for further information.